Imagine a destination where culture, nature, and modernity weave an enchanting tapestry of experiences. That's Malaysia for you. In the heart of Southeast Asia, Malaysia stands as a testament to the harmony of diversity. A country where the old and the new, the natural and the man-made, coexist in a captivating blend, offering a myriad of experiences for the intrepid traveler. Let's start with the country's rich cultural heritage. Malaysia is a melting pot of cultures where Malay, Indian, Chinese, and indigenous traditions harmoniously intertwine. This fusion is reflected in every facet of life here, from the vibrant festivals to the delectable cuisines, each carrying a story, a piece of the country's colorful past and present. But the cultural allure of Malaysia is only the beginning. The country's natural beauty is equally captivating. Rainforests teeming with exotic wildlife, stunning islands with pristine beaches, and majestic mountains waiting to be explored. Malaysia's nature is a veritable paradise for adventure seekers and tranquility lovers alike. And then, there's the modernity of Malaysia, most visible in its gleaming skyscrapers and bustling cities. The country's capital, Kuala Lumpur, is a testament to Malaysia's rapid progress, with its iconic Petronas Twin Towers piercing the sky, yet within its heart, traditional markets and colonial architecture whisper tales of the city's rich history. But perhaps what makes Malaysia truly intriguing is the seamless fusion of these elements. Where else can you find a centuries-old temple nestled amidst skyscrapers, or a traditional night market operating under the shadows of towering buildings? This blend of culture, nature, and modernity gives Malaysia a unique charm, a character that is both endearing and exciting. So, whether you're a history buff, a nature enthusiast, a foodie, or someone who enjoys the hustle and bustle of city life, Malaysia has something for everyone. Every corner, every street, every trail invites you to immerse yourself in an experience that is uniquely Malaysian. Now ready yourself as we embark on a journey to the top 5 places in Malaysia that you wouldn't want to miss. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the historic city of Malacca. This gem of a city is a living testament to Malaysia's rich history, a tapestry of cultural influences from the Malay, Chinese, Indian, and European settlers who have left their mark here over the centuries. In every corner of Malacca, you'll find a fascinating blend of the old and the new. The city's unique architecture tells a story of its own, with traditional Malay houses standing alongside Dutch colonial buildings and modern structures adding a touch of the contemporary. Now, imagine walking down Yonker Street, the city's famous night market. Picture the vibrant stalls selling everything from antiques to street food, the sounds of live music filling the air, and the lively chatter of locals and tourists alike. It's a sensory feast that truly captures the spirit of Malacca. No visit to Malacca would be complete without stopping by a Famosa, an ancient Portuguese fortress, and the Stad Thuis, a striking red building that's one of the oldest surviving Dutch structures in the East. These landmarks serve as poignant reminders of Malacca's storied past. And then there's the city's multicultural aspect. In Malacca, you'll find a harmonious blend of cultures, each adding their unique flavor to the city's rich tapestry. From the Chinese temples to the Indian curry houses and Malay kampungs, Malacca is a melting pot of traditions and customs. Malacca, a city where history comes alive and cultures converge, truly deserves a spot in our top 5. Coming in at number 4, we find ourselves amidst the lush greenery of the Borneo rainforest. This verdant sanctuary is a testament to the planet's incredible biodiversity, a living, breathing natural wonder that never fails to amaze. The Borneo rainforest, the 3rd largest in the world, is so much more than a patch of green on the globe. It's a living, breathing entity, home to a staggering array of life forms. It's a symphony of biodiversity where every creature, from the tiniest insect to the majestic Asian elephant, plays a crucial part in the grand orchestra of life. This rainforest is not just a treasure trove of biological wealth, but also a vital cog in the global ecosystem. These age-old trees are the world's lungs, breathing in carbon dioxide and exhaling life-sustaining oxygen, a process that keeps our planet healthy and habitable. Yet, the Borneo rainforest is not just about the science and ecology. It's also about the unique experiences it offers. Imagine trekking through dense jungles, the air filled with the symphony of bird calls and insect hums. Every step you take might reveal a new species or a breathtaking view that makes the journey worthwhile. Wildlife spotting is another thrill that the Borneo rainforest offers. Catch glimpses of the elusive orangutan, the Bornean pygmy elephant, and countless species of birds, insects, and plants that call this rainforest home. It's like flipping through a living encyclopedia of natural history, each page offering a new discovery. The Borneo rainforest is a place where you can disconnect from the digital world and reconnect with nature. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the raw, untouched wilderness, feeling the pulse of the earth beneath your feet. A visit to the Borneo rainforest lets you immerse in nature's grandeur, a rare and precious experience. It's not just a trip, but a journey into the heart of our planet, a journey that reminds us of our deep connection with nature and our responsibility towards preserving it. Securing the third spot is the culinary paradise of Malaysia, the island of Penang. This is not just a place but a palatable journey of flavors, where each dish tells a story of the island's rich cultural history. Here, food is not merely a part of life, it is life itself. Penang, fondly known as the Pearl of the Orient, is a melting pot of cultures. This diversity is mirrored in its food, creating a symphony of flavors that dance on your tongue. From the bustling hawker centers to the cozy roadside stalls, every corner of Penang is a delightful surprise for your taste buds. Now let's dive into the heart of Penang's food scene, its street food. The street food of Penang is a testament to the island's multicultural heritage. It's a fascinating fusion of flavors, where the spicy, the sweet, the sour, and the savory coexist in harmony. Among the many dishes that Penang takes pride in, char kway teow stands out. This dish, made of flat rice noodles stir-fried in a wok with a medley of ingredients, is a sensory delight. Then there is asam laksa, a tangy fish-based soup that's a riot of flavors. It's a dish that's as complex as it is comforting, embodying the spirit of Penang in every slurp. And who can forget nasi kandar? This dish, a meal of steamed rice served with a variety of curries and side dishes, is a delicious symbol of Penang's Indian Muslim heritage. It's a dish that's as diverse as Penang itself, with each component adding a unique layer of flavor. But Penang's gastronomic journey doesn't end here. There are countless other dishes waiting to be discovered, each offering a different taste of this vibrant island. Indeed, Penang is a food lover's paradise. It's a place where food is cherished, celebrated, and shared. It's a place where every dish is a journey, and every bite is a destination. Penang, a place where every street corner holds a gastronomic surprise, is a must-visit for foodies. Our runner-up is none other than the vibrant and bustling capital city, Kuala Lumpur. This city is a melting pot of modernity and tradition, where skyscrapers tower above street markets and food stalls. It's an urban jungle, pulsating with energy and life at every corner. Let's start with the iconic Petronas Twin Towers, the crown jewel of Kuala Lumpur. These twin giants, towering at the height of nearly 1,500 feet, are an architectural testament to the city's rapid modernization. They are more than just an impressive sight. They're a symbol of Kuala Lumpur's ambition and dreams. Just a stone's throw away from the city center, you'll find the Batu Caves. This limestone hill, filled with cave temples, is a sacred place for the Hindu community in Malaysia. It's a stark contrast to the city's urban landscape, reminding us of the rich tapestry of cultures that make up this vibrant city. And when the sun goes down, Kuala Lumpur truly comes alive. The city's famous food street, Jalan Alor, is a nocturnal paradise for food enthusiasts. Here, the aroma of street food fills the air, from grilled satay to nasi lemak, offering a culinary journey through Malaysia's diverse cuisine. Kuala Lumpur, a city that never sleeps, offers a mix of experiences that cater to every kind of traveler. And finally, taking the top spot in our countdown is the exotic island paradise, Langkawi. This jewel in the Andaman Sea is a haven of natural beauty and tranquility. Its lush rainforests, majestic waterfalls, and the sparkling turquoise waters are nothing short of a dream. Let's not forget the Sky Bridge, an architectural marvel suspended above the rainforest canopy, offering panoramic views of the island. Then there's the underwater world, home to more than 5,000 types of aquatic life, a spectacle that leaves visitors in awe. But the heart of Langkawi lies in its stunning beaches. The powder-fine sand, the gentle lapping of waves, and the mesmerizing sunsets paint a picture of serenity and peace. Langkawi, with its breathtaking landscapes and serene beaches, is the ultimate Malaysian getaway. This concludes our countdown of the top 5 places in Malaysia. Which destination caught your fancy?